What's up guys, this is DJ Neo back again in Vlogs by Neo channel. Today I've got something new for you guys where I have purchased something which is a stabilizer. Not a stabilizer, it's actually basically a mobile stand. I am more happy recording with my mobile phone because it's quite easy, the quality is good for my vlogs, and it's more comfortable. People don't get, even if I'm taking a video outside or anything, people are more comfortable with the mobile phone rather than a big camera or anything. I've noticed it. Even me myself, I don't feel shy while recording on a mobile phone than using a big camera, or I have a GX85 with that, unless I'm doing something very, very professional. I've got something today because I've seen my mobile phone, whenever I record from my mobile phone the videos for my vlogs, it's always shaking. As you can see right now, I'm holding with my hand, it is a bit shaky. As I told you, I do a lot of reviews for whatever things I'm purchasing, tech reviews or whatever. So today I've got something which is this, the Yungteng. See, I'm actually recording from my front side mobile phone front side camera. Well, I'm going to open this up and show you what all we got in this. Then later we will check how the stabilization, not the stabilizer, actually it's on the stand, and how pure the quality is, because I want to record from my rear camera, which is more clearer than the front camera. Basically, front camera is 13 megapixels in this Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and the rear camera is I think 16 megapixels, so it makes a little bit of difference the resolution wise. So let's check it out what all we got in this now. So yeah, I'm recording from my rear camera right now from the mobile phone. So I'm just see how shaky it is. I'm like trying to open this up. I'm still not using the stand. This costed me around like 50 dirhams from the local market in Dubai. So I didn't find this as much expensive. So this is what I got. This for the mobile, I think. So to hold the mobile, and we got a cover here. See, I'm working with one hand right now. I cannot work unless I have this stand. So yeah, I got this cover on this, and let's see what we got in this. See, my camera is so shaky because I have to work with one of my hand. So any other reviews now coming after this, I think I'll have better unshaking videos. Unshakable videos basically, and I want to make my videos look more professional. So this is the thing I got. It's Yungten. It's Chinese. Anyways, nowadays everything is Chinese. There's a instruction which is again in Chinese, nothing in English, so I don't understand the language. It's just mere description. And there's one more thing, it's all in Chinese. Not there you go, we got something in English right now. So there it is. There it is, guys. So this is the stand which I got from the let me open this up, and after that I'll show you. So yeah guys, as you can see, this is what I've got from the stand, where it's exactly like a professional video camera, tripod. So same like that, and I got something here. That's a remote control, maybe to start your video, volume control. I think it's connected through Bluetooth. So I have to check all that out, and I'll let you know how these things are connected. So yeah, it's connected through Bluetooth. I can see the blue color, which is looking for a Bluetooth device. So this actually connects your mobile phone through Bluetooth. So if you want to record, you can actually do recording, or the camera or whatever. See, it shows the camera icon. I think it's for photographs basically. And that's the manual. So let me actually fix this thing up, and after that I'll show you how it looks like with the stand. Alright guys, so you can see right now, it's on, my mobile phone is on the tripod, and I'm actually recording this video from the tripod, and it's stable. All this while I was using the mobile phone on my hand, and I was trying to record everything. So the stability of this. So if I want to talk to you guys or anything, the video looks more professional with this. As I told you, the resolution of the back camera and the front camera is totally different in every mobile phone. They don't give the same resolution. So front camera resolution is always lesser and back camera resolution is more. Now, as you can see at this very moment how I am sitting down and talking to you guys, it's not shaking. Now tomorrow if I want to do any vlogs or anything like showing any product, the tech reviews or anything, I can actually use this and use this tripod and actually record with that, so I can use my both hands. At this time I was actually using my one hand. I'm actually talking to you, and the other hand I'm trying to open up the products and show it to you. So but in the meantime it's shaky, the videos are shaky, and it's not professional at all. Well, anyways, I'll show you. There is some more options in this tripod where I can do the panning and all these things. So I'll show you the options on this and enjoy the video. So now I'm using this tripod, guys, just trying to pan this. This is like I'm panning it on the tripod and the panning is really smooth. I'm just taking this video from my office, from my studio. So this is how it works. But if you are using with your hand, definitely it's going to be more shaky. Now I can actually even do the tilting, which is like up and down. See, so when I'm doing any vlogs or anything, so I can actually use this to show my products, whether I'm doing the tech reviews. This is how the tilting looks like. Well, let me do the front camera also in this. Like I'm going to tilt this now. So there you go, guys. I'm in the front camera right now. I'm actually looking at the mobile phone camera, and I can, just my both hands are free. So mobile phone is over the tripod, and it's basically still. The video looks really good. I'm really happy that I purchased these, just $50. And there you go. So from now onwards, my video will be basically, I'll be using this tripod a lot. And definitely you guys, hope you guys like this tech review about this. What is this actually? Yungten? Yes, it's a Yungten tripod stand. So if you guys want to buy this, the build quality is really good. It's quite good. Camera, mobile phone tripod camera. This is the number VCT5208. Can purchase this. I think in India this will be around $50. Will be around like maybe around 300 or 400, 500 rupees, or maybe 800 rupees. I think so. Yeah. Now I don't know the recent value of the dirhams to Indian rupees. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. DJ Neo signing off.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for regular updates on my channel.